In this session, we're going to talk about the table responsive. So what is the table responsive or responsiveness in the table? You suppose that we have a table, and sometimes it is also possible that we have many columns. You suppose that we have almost 10 or 12 columns. In that case, so there will be a scroll will be created at the bottom of the browser. In that case, in order to solve that problems, because we do not want to create a scroll inside the browser, it means at the bottom of the browser. We want to just create a scroll at the bottom of the table instead. In order to do that, so let's clear just two of the rows, and I want to just copy and paste it 2 or 3 times just for the sake of the testing. 3, for example. How many columns do we have? We have almost 12 columns. Right now I will just copy and paste it 2 or 3 times as well. It is just for the testing purpose. We have one row which it has almost 12 columns, right? Now if I check here, see, if I just minimize it, you can see and scroll at the bottom of the browser. I don't want to just see and scroll here because it is very boring. In order to solve that, come to the index.html and put the table inside another div and close it, the div at the end of the table. Now to solve that problem, we have another class which is called table-responsive. Please remember that it means the table should be inside this class, otherwise it is not working. Table-responsive. So right now refresh it and minimize the table. So right now, instead of creating a scroll at the bottom of the browser, the scroll is created at the bottom of the table. So you suppose that we have almost, for example, 50 or 100 columns. So right now there is no problem. Only you can scroll the column, not the whole browser. We have another table responsive classes as well. For example, if the size of the screen is that much, and then you can use from this table responsive -sm, which is the small. This is the medium, the size of the medium screen. This is the large table-response-lg. It means that it is suitable for the devices which the width of the devices this much. This is for X large and this is for XX large table. That was the table responsive concept in the Bootstrap.